The key to success in the exam is to study hard and do well.
The US ranks 22nd in foreign aid, given it as a percentage of GDP.
Animals grow larger and stronger to help them hunt better.
I think your watch is fast. You need to reset it.
The university has a number of travel scholarships that students can apply for. The gap between the rich and the poor did not decrease as rapidly as had been expected.
留洋英语
Organic food is grown without applying chemicals and possesses no artificial additives.
Arteries carry oxygenated blood from the heart to other parts of the body.
Since the problems we face are global, we need to find the global solutions.
Nearly half of the television outputs are given away for educational programming.
This small Indian state is a land of forests, valleys, and snowy islands.
She doesn't care about anything but what is honest and true.
His objection to include scientific evidence has brought a lot of controversy to him.
Hypothetically, Insufficient mastery in the areas slows future progress.
Higher fees cause the students to look more critically at what universities offer.
留洋英语
Once more, under the pressure of economic necessity, practice outstripped theory.
Please sort and order the slides of the presentation according to topic and speech time. In our institute, prospective students have access to 13 college libraries.
Students who wish to apply for an extension should approach their tutors. By clicking this button, you agree with the terms and conditions of this website.
Don't forget to do a library tour on the first week of your semester.
Just wait a minute. I will be with you shortly.
To answer such a complex question with a simple yes or no is absolutely impossible.
If you forgot your student number, you should contact Jenny Bryce.
Globalization has been an overwhelming urban and urbanization phenomenon.
The original Olympic Games were celebrated as religious festivals.
留洋英语
If she does speak the language, she's not going to sit around and wait for a translator.
Anatomy is the study of internal and external body structures.
Unfortunately, the two most interesting economics electives clash on my timetable. In consultation with your supervisor, your thesis is approved by the faculty committee.